In this video, I'll show you how to start a repository on GitHub. First, open your web browser and sign in to your GitHub account. Once you're signed in, use the search bar at the top of the page to find the repository you want to save. Next, open the repository by clicking on its name. On the repository page, look toward the top right corner. You'll find the star button next to other repository options. Now, click the star button. As soon as you click it, the repository will be added to your starred repositories. This makes it easy to find the project again later and also lets the repository owner know that you found it useful. After that, if you want to view all of your starred repositories, click your profile picture in the top right corner, select your stars, and you'll see every repository you've starred in one place. Finally, if you ever want to remove a star, simply return to the repository and click the starred button. This will unstar the repository and remove it from your starred list. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to star a repository on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.